Alright, let's cut through the hype. Is the topping DX5 2 the real deal, or are you being sold a dream? I've put it through its paces and here's what I found. First, this thing hit the scene in June 2025, and experts everywhere are calling it a game changer. Why? Well, for starters, you're looking at an all-in-one DAC and headphone amp that punches way above its $299 price tag. I mean, performance like this used to cost you twice as much, easy. It's won awards, like the Headphonia Recommended Award, for a reason. Let's talk sound. The DX5 2 is all about transparency. It's neutral, it's detailed, and distortion? Basically non-existent, confirmed by the folks at Audio Science Review. Whether you've got sensitive IEMs or power-hungry headphones, the new X hybrid amp circuit delivers with muscle and finesse. No hiss, no background noise, just pure music. Features? This thing is loaded. Dual ESS DAC chips, balanced outputs, including 4.4mm and XLR, plus your classic 6.35mm single-ended. It handles everything. USB-B, optical, coax, Bluetooth 5.1 with LDAC, aptX, you name it. And for the tweakers, there's a legit 10-band hardware parametric EQ, topping even through in a 2-inch color screen with a VU meter and spectrum analyzer. It looks slick on any desk. But hey, nothing's perfect. The PEQ software was buggy at launch, but updates fixed most issues. And yeah, the USB-B port is a bit old school. Some folks even find the treble a tad bright on certain headphones, so keep that in mind. Bottom line? The topping DX5 2 isn't a scam. It's arguably the best all-in-one desktop DAC amp at this price. If you want top-tier sound and features without emptying your wallet, this is it. Don't fall for the hype. Try it yourself.